Collision Mitigation System, enable and disable. Autonomous emergency braking system will get activated when the following prerequisites are satisfied and feature is enabled from center information display. Enable. Collision mitigation system can be enabled and disabled from Drive Assist in App Drawer. Select Collision Warning under Assistance tab. Select Warning under Auto Emergency Braking to turn on Forward Collision Warning. Select Assist to turn on the Autonomous Emergency Braking. Forward Collision Warning timing can be adjusted up to 3 levels. Late warning is provided at shorter time to collision. Normal collision warning is provided earlier than late setting. Early collision warning is provided earlier than normal setting. Disable. Select Off to turn off the autonomous emergency braking and forward collision warning. Autonomous emergency braking system off, telltale will turn on in the driver information display.